Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, yesterday was good news for Wall Street. Most stocks here did well. Microsoft was up, Google is up, Amazon did well, Apple, Facebook, and so forth. The only casualty of yesterday was the healthcare companies, Johnson & Johnson, and a host of other companies suffered losses. But on the whole, you can see that Wall Street enjoyed some good outing yesterday. But don't be fooled yet. We're not out of the woods yet. So if you have the opportunity, you can always bank in some profit. Take some profit because of the high volatility of this market. Take some profit until you see solid economic report. As we stand, this whole market is fueled by the constant government spending. Okay, see this report right here? That is driving, I could give you the wrong, that is driving Wall Street and so forth. So, if you have the chance, book profits and preserve your capital because of the high volatility. Today, if you're trading, look on the upside because of this positive news. I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.